Today on Tech Solutions, we're walking through how to install Docker Engine on Debian 13 using the official repository method recommended by Docker themselves. This is the cleanest and most reliable approach because your system pulls updates directly from Docker servers. Before anything else, the system needs to be prepared. I've already refreshed the package index and installed the required dependency packages. You'll see those steps on the screen. These packages allow Debian to verify Docker's repository and make secure requests. Once that's ready, the first real step is adding Docker's official GPG key. Think of this key as a trust stamp. It tells Debian that the packages coming in are authentic and safe. The command on screen grabs the key and stores it in the correct keyring location. After that, I added Docker's apt repository. This is where Debian will fetch Docker Engine, Docker Compose v2, and Container ID. Debian handles everything automatically and sets up the services. When the installation finishes, I checked Docker's service status to make sure it's active and running. If the service shows running, that means Docker Engine is successfully installed and ready. To confirm it, I ran Docker's classic test container, Hello World. You'll see the command on the screen. When Docker pulls the image and prints its little welcome message, that's your confirmation that everything is working perfectly. At this point, Docker Engine is fully installed, your repositories are configured correctly, and your Debian 13 machine is ready to run containers without any extra tweaks. This method keeps everything clean, stable, and aligned with Docker's official guidelines, so future updates stay smooth. And that wraps up this quick setup guide. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to Tech Solutions for more Linux tips, tutorials, and practical setups that actually work. There's plenty more coming your way, especially if you're building or tweaking your development environment.